So ayan, kumusta mga kanoisy? Welcome back sa ating YouTube channel, Filipinoisy. So ngayong araw, panonoorin natin ito guys mula kay The DC Short. So you can check the original link in the description box below. Show some love to that YouTube channel. Credits to them. Let's borrow their videos, because they are some kind of foreign, right? But yeah, let's try to use a English conference battle. So let's try to speak English in this promoting them. But yun. Siyempre, kung tip nyo ng mga ganitong reaction video may kasama kami, huwag nyo na rin kalimutan supportahan yung YouTube channel natin, Filipinoisy. So, kita nyo, yung title natin ay Chinese Tourists Have Viral Freakout on British Piano Player. So, ang context dito guys ay itong nasa Gidli, mga Chinese yan. Tapos itong si Kuya ay isa siyang pianist. Sikat siya na pianist sa public. Parang yung maghulog-hulog ba? May mag-donation. Parang ganyan. Parang sa Baguio, ito siya, na dito siya nagpe-perform sa public. Sa Britain to. Tapos itong mga Chinese tourists, napadaan sila or napatambay sila dyan, nahagip sila ng camera, tapos ngayon magrereklamo sila, bakit daw binibidyohan sila, kung hindi daw tanggalin yan, ay magpa-file sila ng legal action, so something like that. Tapos basta doon na nagsimula yung gulo. So tingnan natin to kasi may something talaga sa video to, men. So, di na natin patatagalin pa, pagkagawin pa ng China. Like, comment, share, subscribe, Filipinoisy. Again, ang title ng video ito, Chinese Tourists Have Viral Freakout on British Piano Player. Stop. The pianist recorded the wrong tourist during one of his live streams. Yan na yun. Nag-live stream pala siya. Brendan Kavanagh often performs a London King's Cross Street Pancras station where the piano is free use. Okay. So, free use pala yung piano dyan. Bali siya lang yung nagpi-play. Akala ko ng siya parang sa Baguio. Yun may Chinese sa Gedli.
Can the Chinese chappies have a go?
Oh yeah, of course we got the Chinese.
He was approached by Chinese tourists to stop showing their faces during his live stream. Di na sila umiwas eh.
Here.
Do you need to see because we're here film for Chinese TV as well?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, did you film as all of us in your cameras?
I don't know. Are we allowed?
Nagdala pa sila ng Philippine flag, Chinese flag.
We're not allowed.
Yeah, so
We're not allowed.
we're not allowed because we're for Chinese TV.
Oh, okay.
This is non-disclosable.
We have our own agreement with other people that we cannot be shown online.
Okay.
We are so sorry about this.
So who's allowed to record you then?
Just making sure you're not recording us, yeah? Because if you are recording us, that when we are saying this, you're still recording, and then we will put a legal action into it.
Oh.
Ang tapang illegal action agad Kahit na aksidente lang silang nahagip sa camera tapos patayo-tayo sila dyan. So, parang nagiging system dito. Kapag nakakadaan kayo ng mga CCTV, ipapaboran nyo yon kasi nakita kayo. Parang mga spy pala tong mga to Or parang mga agent ba? Baka mga spy ito, Baka lang naman. Nagalit sila, sabi nila, we are only for Chinese TV. So, parang hate talaga nila na ma-record sila,
Okay.
Yeah, we will put a legal action
Really?
into it.
For what?
We will.
Legal
I'm
action
sorry, this is the end of the conversation. This is our right we're protecting, and that's it.
For what right?
May
I don't
rights.
understand.
Image right.
Image right?
Yeah, we're not sharing this
Are
image
you
right.
from China?
That's not a question.
Naguluhan si Manong yung sabi niya, image right? Are you from China? Kasi sa Britain to
Only thing we are arguing is that
Yeah.
we are protecting our own image right. You're not sharing.
But we're in public.
Yeah, exactly. No sharing.
So we're not allowed
no
to share?
sharing. Yes, no sharing us. Share yourself, that's fine. No sharing us.
Right.
Not in public. In China,
no.
but we're not in China.
The conversation escalated when Kavanagh allegedly touched one of the tourists.
No, I have my choice. I don't
No,
want
but
my...
we are in Britain, Great Britain. We're not in
I
China.
say I'm also British.
This-
I'm also British, okay?
thought
I'm
you
also
said you-
British. I'm also British, but I don't want
Well,
to
you've
use
got-
my
You've
image.
got a Chinese flag
It
there.
doesn't matter.
Show me the Chinese flag.
Why you're touching her? Stop touching her! Don't touch her, please. Do not touch her.
Nagalit nag-freak out bigla, men.
Please, you are not the same age. Please do not touch her. Don't touch her. Please don't touch her. Please
Don't shoot him.
Yeah, don't touch her. Don't touch her.
What's the problem? What's the problem? Don't shoot him. Don't shoot him.
Please don't touch her. Please don't touch her. Please don't touch her.
Yeah, listen,
No,
mate,
we
listen.
love your art, we love your
No, you don't.
music,
You just
but we are
shout at
trying
me.
to have
You
because
need
you're
to-
touching my friend.
I
Are
touched
you
her.
allowing her to touch you?
no.
I touched the flag.
No,
I touched the flag,
doesn't
mate.
matter. You're
Nag-e-escalate eh. Gustong palakihin yung gulo eh. Kahit flag lang yung hinahawakan ano.
Are
And
approaching
also,
her with her
shout,
hands.
you're getting a bit aggressive.
Ito,
You are.
nagumenti na yung Chinese oh.
Listen, mate, yeah, but
I'm
you,
sorry, you
I
can't
want-
touch her.
well,
Please
you
don't touch
can't
her.
touch me,
Please
I-
don't touch her. Please don't touch her.
Oh, do you
Please
wanna say-
don't reach your hands. Please say sorry to her.
Well, I want you to
Please say sorry to her.
No, we're not in
Oh,
China, mate.
that's fine. We're not talking about two.
Parang diktador eh. Please say sorry to her. Eh, hindi nyo nga sinori yung tao na ininterrupt nyo.
Race. This is not a racist issue. Please
We
don't
just
call
want
us
to
we're not in
celebrate
China.
New
This is the
Year.
moment that you're trying to reach your hand, touch her without
I'm
her
not trying to touch.
permission.
I don't want to touch you at all.
That's good. Stay away. Don't touch her.
Well,
don't
away,
touch
and
her.
away
Stay
you
away.
go. We're in a
Stay
free
away.
country now, mate.
Stay away.
You're
Don't
not
touch her.
obviously
Don't
used to
touch her.
democracy.
Do not touch her. Do not touch her.
I'm not touching
Do not
anyone.
touch her. Do not touch her.
I don't know why
Do
you
not
get-
touch her. Do not touch her.
Do you wanna keep
Do
saying
not
that?
touch her. Do not touch her.
Do not touch her. Do not touch her. Do not touch her. Ulit-ulit.
Are you miming me? Are you miming me?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
You're miming me.
I am, yeah.
You're miming me.
Yeah, I
You're
am,
miming me.
I am, yeah. What are you going to do about it? So we got the police over here. We got the Chinese Communist Party who told us not to film, and that's basically what it is. They came over.
Chinese Communist.
Jim. They came over and said you're not allowed to film us. We're in a public space, in a public piano, and they said you're not allowed to film. And they were waving Communist Party flags, and I said,
Parang ano niya dito, mga sira pala tong mga to eh. Nasa publiko tapos ayaw ng mahagip sila ng video namin na nasa lugar namin. Ginaganon-ganon pa nilang yung communist flag nila. Galit si Manong.
oh, that's a communist flag, and they said, oh, that's racist.
The reason why I'm asking you not to film it is because I know that you are putting this on your YouTube.
London police were brought to the scene and Kavana explained the situation to one of the officers.
Doesn't matter where it goes. We're in a free country. Sorry,
We're in a free
we're in a
country.
democracy. We're not
We're in a
China.
democracy.
And that's not racist. That's the truth.
Tama. We're in a democracy. We're no China. Tama. Kayo ba? Do you think tama yung pinaglalaban ni Manong dito, men?
What our forefathers fought for.
Exactly, but you can't say things like that either. You can't just say things
Say what?
like that.
That we're in a free country.
No, that we're not in China. We've
Well,
got
we're
Chinese
not.
people, for example.
Well, they came. Listen, Kerry. If I was over in China and I started laying the law down to Chinese people at the piano, telling them what they cannot do, do you think that's appropriate?
Tama.
They came over here. The guy started shouting at me, and he said, "You're not allowed to film. You're not allowed." And I said, "Sorry, we're in Britain. I'm allowed to play." And I said, "You're waving a communist flag."
Tama naman yun, men. Ulit nga natin yung sinabi niya.
China, we've
Well,
got
we're not.
Chinese people, for example.
Well, they came.
Pakinggan
Listen,
nyo, ha?
Terry, if I was over in China and I started laying the law down to Chinese people at the piano, telling them what they cannot do, do you think that's appropriate? They came over here.
Yung sabi niya dito, men. Sabi niya, isipin mo to ha, kung sakaling pumunta ako dun sa China, may nagpi-play din ng piano sa kanila. Tapos, sasabihin ko dun na, uy, wag mong gawin yan, bawal yan sa amin, or hindi yan pwede sa amin, something like that. So, tama daw ba yun? Nasa tama ba siya dun? So, parang ang nagiging system siya na yung nagiging pakialamero sa bansang China, di ba? Kayo kaya guys, kung yun yung gawin nyo sa China, may nagpiplay ng piano, tapos bigla kayo maggaganon-ganon na, uy, wag nyo kaming videohan. Video-video kayo sa amin. Baka, di na kayo makalabas ng China, guys. Ikulong na kayo. Parang nag-overreact lang din kasi sila eh.
The guy started shouting at me, and he said, "You're not allowed to film. You're not allowed." And I said, "Sorry, we're in Britain. I'm allowed to play." And I said, "You're waving a communist flag." And then he said, "You're racist." So if I've done anything wrong, tell me. Right. Perhaps I should do the Pink Panther. I think the Chinese have gone. I think we've won the war.
Yeah, that's it.
I think we've won the war. The Chinese have beat a retreat, and we basically won. So there we go. Free speech prevails. The police have gone. The Chinese have gone. Free speech prevails. Yes.
Free speech prevails. So, ayun. Alam ni Manong yung mga nangyayari sa loob ng China. No? So, parang nag-ano siya ba na, communist party kayo, communist country kayo, wag niyong dalhin dito sa bansa namin, sa Britain. Dinadala nyo dito eh. Kung gaano kayo kastrito sa lugar nyo, wag nyong itulad yung mga nakaugalian nyo dito sa amin. Parang yun, parang kagaya lang din guys doon sa, natatandaan nyo ba yung mga OFW natin na parang nagsasayo-sayo doon sa ibang bansa? Or ano ba yun? Basta something like that na normal lang siyang gawain dito sa Pilipinas pero parang ikinulong ata sila doon sa ibang bansa. UAE ba yun? Or sa Dubai? Parang kalimutan ko na eh. So, para sa atin, tayo Pilipino, maano tayo ba na ang OA naman ng bansang yun na yun lang naman yung ginawa ng mga Pinay, di ba? Tapos, bakit ganun yung kaparsuhan nila? Sa atin yun, parang wala lang. Barangay lang. Tapos na yung ganung usapan. So, yan talaga yung ano men na yung mga culture natin or yung mga nakagawian natin sa bansa natin, di natin sila pwedeng i-apply sa ibang bansa. Kasi, yun nga, magkakaiba tayo ng, ano, di ba? Mga sinusunod or mga tradition, something like that. Or ano ba, culture bang tawag dyan? Kasi yun, nariba tuloy sila ni, ano, nitong pianist na, no, kayo, pupunta-punta kayo dito, mag-wave-wave kayo ng communist flag, tapos yun, makikialam kayo sa amin. Kayo ba guys, sa tingin nyo, sino bang may tama doon? Tama ba yung ginawa ng China na, yun nga, na-violate yung image right nila, yung image right nila, na binibidyuhan sila sa public, na parang ano sila na ipa-take down nila or tanggalin yung video. Actually, yung original video ay up until now, nandito pa rin sa YouTube guys. So, it means, hindi sila sinubukan daw ipatanggal yon pero hindi natanggal sa YouTube. Ano? So, it means, parang wala talagang mali dun sa ginawa ni Manong kasi syempre kung ikaw naman siguro na tao, like for example Chinese ka, pupunta ka sa ibang bansa, aware ka naman na sobrang maraming cameras diyan sa mga bansang yan, di ba? Alangan naman iisa-isahin mo yan para ka magkaroon ng special treatment na, oy, lahat ng mga CCTVs niyo, wag niyo iharap sa amin, dadaan kami. Oy, yung mga dashcam ng mga sasakyan niyo, wag niyo itutok sa amin, nare-record kami. Pwede ba yung ganun? Parang ganun lang din ba? Tapos ang nagustuhan ko lang din sa sinabi nitong si lalaki na ano ba na, bakit ba kapag ako ba pumunta ako dun sa China tapos may nagpapiano dun, ganun din yung gagawin ko. Do you think hindi ako mapapasama dun? So something like that yung argument niya, 'di ba, na hindi sila pwedeng magagaganito dito, ipagpipilitan nila yung rights nila dito sa bansa natin kasi we're a democracy country, hindi tayo communist country, 'di ba? So yun lang naman. Sa tingin nyo, tama ba yung ginawa ni Kuyang Pianist dito? Comment down below. Tapos yun, ano masasabi nyo dun sa pinagagagawa ng mga nila, Chinese nationals doon? Medyo nakakaano din kasi men. Ano ba? Pwera na lang siguro kung halimbawa ganyan. Tatayo-tayo sila sa Gedli tapos dinirect talaga yung mukha nila pag video ba na, oh, kayo, Communist Party, communist country, communist people, Chinese people. Ginaganyan-ganyan siguro. Yun siguro yung bawal na intended talaga yung tao na videohan mo ba. Yun siguro may right sila doon na gawa nila yun ng legal action. Pero yung ganyan, nagpi-play ka lang ng piano sa public tapos nahagip lang kayo ng camera. Tapos ganyan na kayo makapag-react. Siguro pwede naman din sila makipag-usap ng maayos, di ba? Nga, hey, can you blur our face? Di yung iinit agad yung ulo mo. Di ba? Yun lang naman siguro yun, men. Kasi sa public din talaga, hindi ko, or wala akong ganong background na. Kayo nga guys, comment nga kayo sa baba kung kung ano yung posibleng mangyari dito or meron nga bang nalabag yung pianist doon yung image write down ng Chinese. Meron ba doon? Latagan nyo nga ako ng kasi lagi nagamit ko yung cellphone ko. So yun lang muna guys. Kayo ano masasabi nyo dito? Again, mula kay ito. Credits to the DC Shorts YouTube channel. Original video link in the description box below. You can support that YouTube channel too. And then, yeah. Bago nyo iwan yung channel natin, syempre huwag nyo kalimutan mag-subscribe at mag-iwan ng like sa video ito. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Philippines is out.